Hello everyone, it is September 3rd today and it is 10:15 a.m. We're just on our way to visit the site and see my new home, which is going to be ready apparently by Sunday. So Sunday is moving day. We kept the 6th of September moving day and today is the 3rd. So basically in 2 days we're going to be moving all my stuff, my makeup, everything to the new house. So we're just going to go and do like a check to see what all is happening, if the AC's put up, like how are things at home, because it's quite a mess right now at the place. My bed got delivered from IKEA yesterday, like you saw. So yeah, we're just gonna have a little bit of a check and see what final touches need to be done. And yeah, that is it for today. So let's go. Hey guys, so I'm in my kitchen right now. I'm seeing it after it's done. These are some shelves I created to put just some plants and some things like that. Even next to the window I created this shelf-like structure. So this is the state of the house. And we have 3 days to go and this is the condition. Hi guys, so the apartment is not even close to being done. We're moving in 3 days and basically everything is messed up. Nothing is completed. I don't know what's gonna happen in the next 3 days. A little bit stressed, not too much, but I don't know, because 6th all my stuff is coming into this house and my wardrobe is coming in tomorrow. My bed and sofa are here, but the electrical, the AC paneling, everything is pending. I have to repaint the ceilings because there are fingerprints on it. What? I guess we'll have to come to the site every day now to like move the people to get the job done because it's not done. Those are the ACs, the IKEA bed. This is my IKEA L-shaped sofa. My floor lamp is there. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, what's happening? I don't know what to do, don't know what to expect, because I'm supposed to be living here in the next 3 days and the house is not even 10% complete. Everything is incomplete. Hey guys, good morning. It is September 6th and it is 9 a.m. It is a Sunday and today is officially moving day. I just got to my house and yeah, I'm waiting for the movers to come in because today all my stuff is gonna go into my new house. It's like the big step. It's finally happening. It's a reality finally. However, I'm not going to be living there for at least 2-3 days more because the painting job needs to be done, like few touch-ups, the ACs need to be put up, the bed needs to be made. So there's still some work left, but my stuff is going, like all of this. I'm going to show you what all I'm taking. It is a mess, okay, and that's on purpose. I didn't organize anything over the past month because I knew I was moving and there was no point putting it into boxes and organizing it when I'm going to dismantle it and dunk it in cartons. I'm usually very organized, but yeah, this you will never see happening. But all of this needs to go. This is my skincare drawer. My goodness, I cannot imagine. Look at this. I don't know where I'm gonna find these when they put this in the carton. This is my eyeshadow drawer / these are extra eyeshadows and beauty sponges. So basically I'm taking this whole dresser that has makeup in it. I'm leaving the ring light for Jake, taking this whole drawer, taking this whole section. Now in this whole section you can see the mess. I have to sit and buy organizers for this. And let me show you, like look. Oh my god, this has all happened in the past 2 weeks. I just opened up all the PR packages. So yeah, you can imagine all of this getting dumped into a carton. Mind you, I'm only moving makeup. That's my wardrobe. That's been my wardrobe for 2 years now. I fit all my clothes in there. It's a 2-door wardrobe. I'm getting a 4-door wardrobe. The move has begun, you guys. all these extra bowls, plates for myself. This is the mess, you guys. Let's go.
With this feeling I can leave. I'm working and I'm dreaming. Will you dare to give it all up and walk by my side? Do you see the road? Do you hear it's cold? Do you want a bite of it? Just getting me above now. Just getting me above.
We're almost done, guys. Now they only have to take those two. We've emptied everything. Seems like quite a lot of stuff. Why are you dancing? I'm leaving. They're just waiting for me to go.
The room is so empty now.
No mama.
No mommy.
Jake clearly doesn't give a shit about his sister leaving. He's napping like a king. My brother's playing music because he's so happy the room's getting empty. It is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's the end of an era. End of an era, dude.
Oh gosh, he's napping like, and how?
I'm really leaving, it's not a joke. Cry. Shed a tear or two for me, dude. Iska kya kare?
He has plans for this room. Can you believe? It's not been a second since I moved out and he's planning what to do with the room. We're in the new house and we're moving the stuff here while ordering pizza. This is the studio room. My dresser will come there, and like, that's my mirror. That's the AC which has to be put up there. So everything is still quite raw. My dresser's put, you guys. What's up? This is the new room. We're eating our first meal in the house, which is Domino's pizza. First of many meals. First of many takeouts. Guys, this is the potential studio. I have not decided the placement of this yet. We just kept it here for now. This whole thing has to be designed with photo frames, lights, my full-length mirror. Oh my god, look at the ceiling. All of that has to be touched up yet. The painting work is left. This wire is hanging because the AC has to be put, and yeah, we're just waiting for the wardrobe. The wardrobe is come and has to be installed. Can't wait for the day till it's installed. The AC just went on. We had our first meal in this house. The first appliance is on. So much fun. Oh my god, I can't believe this is finally happening. This is how the table is supposed to look. What's up? It is 7th September now. Today is gonna be a day filled with home shopping. I thought I would take you around and show you what I'm including. So my house is coming together finally. We have just the painting job, like repainting left. We have to just put the stuff in place and now decorate the place. So we've got the bed, the sofa, the wardrobe coming in, little plants on my bathroom shelves, hand towels, like spoon holders, so things like that. So I thought I'd go to the mall today since the malls are open and everything's almost back to normal. I really wanted to pick up some home stuff that I have in my mind. I saved some Pinterest pictures, and so I'm going to the mall with my mom because she has also a very good idea of what looks good. Firstly, I don't have any of my stuff here. All my clothes, all of it, my makeup and everything. I just have my lipstick with me right now. I don't have a single foundation, concealer, nothing. It's gone to the new house and it's in the cartons. So I'm clearing out my stuff right now. There are some things that I left behind that I was not sure of whether I wanted or not. I had this like storage thing, if you remember, but that's gone. So there's like so much space now in my existing room, and we've shifted the lights here. It was in the hall, but this is required by Jake and CBB to, you know, for some shoots and stuff. I'm leaving the ring light for Jake because he shoots with only a ring light, and I bought myself a new light which is right there for my new studio setup. And this is my mom's very purana dresser. She loves it so much. It's like emotionally attached to her. Like we had this for like 10 years. I don't even know, like 10 years now. So this is her dresser. She put up her mirror, so this is her section. But honestly, there is so much room in this room that I cannot even. So yeah, this completely, like my dresser and everything, has gone to the new house. I love wearing this. I wear it so many times that it's not even funny. It's become a staple in my outfits every day. I wear this white joggers from H&M, this crop t-shirt from H&M, and yeah, my white sneakers from Skechers. It's like the outfit you'll see me in all the time. I just love a good jogger and crop set. This was my wardrobe, you guys. This is what I was surviving with, like all here stacked up. It's a pretty spacious wardrobe, and this is remaining. So I'm clearing out what I don't need from here. Yeah, like I don't even know. Like I love this bag. This was given to me by my best friend, so I'm definitely taking this with me. And yeah, we have some chuddies. These are some H&M thongs that I picked up for my best friend who gave me that bag. So cute. Look at this, Batman, Superman, Spider-Man. These things are from Miniso. I had like 4 of these, so I kept 1, 2, 3, 4, and I stacked up my clothes in this so that they don't fall out. You know, once I fold them and I pick out a top, it all falls down, right? So I bought these from Miniso. These are like storage organizers. These are cloth and very good quality in case you're looking to organize your wardrobe. Hi guys, I completely forgot to vlog. I'm at the store now and I got like quite a lot of stuff. I got like this sheet. I got this cute basket for God knows what reason, but I got it anyway. I got this candle because it looks cute. Dude, everything is so expensive. I'm just like, what is going on? Like nothing. I thought it would be like really cheap. Mom, no steel, yeah. I bought only this steel, the butter thing. This is for 300 bucks, you guys. For what reason is this for 300 bucks? This cute potpourri for my bathroom. This is all decor pieces that I'm finally purchasing and not... If I procrastinate this, I will never be able to buy. This is like anti-slip mat for the fridge. Cute baskets. Serving dishes. Like storing dishes, sorry. Cute little candle. What about this cheese grater? Mama, I think this you've given me now, all of this. It's so cute. It's beautiful.
I really like this colander. How much is it? It depends how much is it, then only I will like it. 1,200. Yeah, bye. It's not a colander.
I'm filming with my phone because I don't think they'll allow me to film with the camera. Why is setting up a house so expensive? This is ridiculous. Like, you know, all these dishes, these bowls, plates, dinnerware and set. I was looking online for some fancy shit. It was 12,000 rupees. I'm like, I mean, I'll go ahead and spend money on things. Like I don't think too much. If I want it, I just get it because I know it's an investment and I'll use it for a long time. But plates, I can't. I want an idli maker, mother. No, I want this steam idli thing because that's the only thing I'll survive on. What's up? We just got done with our one-stop shopping. Now we're going to West Side Home because I want decorative pieces now. Just small, tiny things that make up the place pretty. We never think of those things when we move into the house. So yeah, that's what's happening. I see Zara there. I'm very tempted, but not going to go. Yeah, I used to come to shop for Zara, and now I'm shopping for like rice and rice storage things and stuff. $1.99. This is a great salad bowl. Yeah, we'll take this. We picked up this, few hand towels, 2 fresh towels, basket for my pillows and throw. That's for the bathroom. These are guest towels. Yeah, mom's flowers, such cute stuff, and they're so inexpensive also. They're like $250. Just got back from the store, and dude, we shopped so much. I knew I had to do this someday or the other. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.